There's new data and a very bullish pattern that suggests that Dogecoin is getting ready for an upward trend. So, let's talk a bit more about it. Hello guys, and welcome back to Crypto Fire, where we talk about Dogecoin, cryptocurrency, and investing. As I said, I believe Dogecoin is poised for a surge upward. The bears and short sellers can no longer keep Dogecoin at bay. In my opinion, Dogecoin is preparing for an upward trend and may reach 35 cents in the immediate term. According to experts, short sellers who are attempting to invalidate the present rising pressure are losing the battle. This basically means that the Kumo twist is to be expected from here. A Kumo twist is one of the earliest indicators that a market is moving and developing a firm trend. Kumo twist works on both sides and may also be used to accelerate the price. So Dogecoin over 25 cents will generate the necessary bullish momentum. This will result in a full rejection of the bearish divergences that are forming inside the oscillator. So we need to see the bulls take control of this market, go over 27.5 cents, and we'll see it rise up to 35 cents in a rapid and brief pattern. So the analysts and short sellers who are trying to invalidate the growing bullish trend are going to have a difficult road ahead. Short sellers must close such positions at or below 19.5 cents. If this occurs, a fast drop may follow, with the price of Dogecoin falling below the 10 cents range. Another good thing for Doge is that Shiba Inu's big rise drew attention back to Dogecoin because it's a meme currency too. And this may be a good indication for Doge, which is on the brink of a breakout. Meme coins were the first real star altcoins to emerge at the start of this year. People like Elon Musk and Mark Cuban assisted them with their social media presence. So what we're witnessing right now is an all-out battle between the bulls and bears, similar to what we've seen in recent months. I believe the bulls will win this battle because I do not believe the bears will be able to drive the price down below 19.5 cents. I believe in Dogecoin's community, and I'm extremely optimistic that Dogecoin will undoubtedly rise beyond 27.50 cents, and we will reach 35 cents by the end of the month. And I also believe that many people are on the sidelines because we're seeing Shiba Inu and other currencies booming, while Dogecoin is pretty much static. So I think it's time to be patient. You must understand that you invested in Dogecoin for a purpose. The fundamentals remain optimistic, and the entire purpose of Dogecoin, the use case, and mainstream acceptance continue to grow, and I think Dogecoin will ultimately rise beyond this fluctuating movement of 27.50 and explode to over 35 cents. Let me know your opinions and comments before the end of this month, but Dogecoin is on the cusp of a breakthrough in my opinion, with the general market being highly bullish. I believe Bitcoin will lead the way here in a few days, maybe as soon as tomorrow, but I believe the whole market will be highly bullish in the next few weeks and will have one major break to the upside heading into November. I believe November will be the month when Dogecoin begins to flirt with all-time highs. That being said, please share your views in the comments section below and don't forget to hit the like button. Now, another crypto that I want to talk about is Ethereum. There has been a lot of interesting news in the last 24 hours. The first is that miners' holdings of Ethereum have hit an all-time high since 2016. We see that miners now own over 532,000 Ethereum. That's the largest holdings we have ever seen. It's over $1.5 billion. This is very exciting because normally, miners, whether they are Bitcoin miners or Ethereum miners, they sell the asset on a regular basis to cover their expenses like electricity, hardware, and other costs. Ethereum miners, however, do not do this at all. Instead, they keep it and accumulate more. Recently, the balance of Ethereum miners has increased significantly. It's been rising rapidly since around June 2021. The second thing that makes me even more positive is the price of Ethereum on exchanges. We have seen the amount of Ethereum on exchanges steadily decline over the last year. The total amount of Ethereum on exchanges has dropped from about 24 million to about 18.5 million Ether. This is very encouraging because it shows that people are betting on Ethereum for the long term. They are pulling their Ethereum off exchanges, storing it, moving it to other platforms, possibly to buy NFT. The fact that they are taking it off exchanges means that they do not plan on selling it anytime soon, and that means that with less supply on exchanges, more people will want to buy it. The third thing that's going on is EIP 1559. Since the London hard fork, which happened just a few months ago, we have seen over 480,000 Ethereum burned, totaling over $1.7 billion. So everyone knows that there is a hard cap on Bitcoin production. There will only ever be 21 million Bitcoins. That's why it's preferred by institutional investors. It's digital gold. And with this, Ethereum is becoming an alternative to Bitcoin. So much Ethereum is being burned, it has become a deflationary asset, which means that the overall supply is not growing quite as fast as it used to. The fourth point is NFT. The market overall looks very positive for cryptocurrencies, and when the market looks good, people are willing to take on more risk. In my opinion, NFT are riskier than altcoins, but now that the bull market is really kicking in, we are seeing NFT sales and trading volume surge in the third quarter of 2021. We have seen over 10.7 billion in NFT sales. The vast majority of NFT are purchased with Ethereum, so anyone interested in participating will need to purchase Ethereum first. And so there's a lot of good news about Ethereum right now. Some argue that there is a resistance line of $3,800 per coin. I am not worried about it at all because if we look at a long-term theory, we see all these things happening. More miners are continuing to hold. The amount of Ethereum available on exchanges continues to drop. Institutions are collecting more and more Ethereum versus Bitcoin. They are starting to perceive Ethereum as a serious competitor and alternative to Bitcoin, and we are also seeing NFT trading volume explode. As a result of all these factors, the price of Ethereum could easily reach $10,000 per token. In my opinion, this is the lowest risk, highest reward option in the crypto industry right now. With everything said, I'd still like to remind you that I'm not a financial advisor and this isn't financial advice, so you should definitely do proper research before investing anything into crypto. Now, another major thing we need to keep in mind is institutional investors. We are seeing the amount that VC have invested in companies in Bitcoin, Ethereum, and the crypto ecosystem surpass $8.8 billion in the third quarter of 2021. So that's quite a bit. That's definitely the most money that's ever gone into crypto companies, and that's a very big deal. So it just shows that VC are very hungry for cryptocurrencies, and we are seeing an influx of institutional investors like never before. Moving on, another crypto worth looking at is XRP. XRP is at $1.5 here, and it's up 30% in just 10 days because there's a golden cross for XRP. So from a technical perspective, XRP seems to be very bullish. We have been looking at that as well, but there are some other signs that could support that bullish stance. The SEC and Ripple case is also looking pretty good now as a judge has finally sided with Ripple. So I predict that if Ripple wins this lawsuit, XRP could quickly reach $10. Now, if we look at the market cap, it looks like cryptos are going to skyrocket, and I think we will see 63,000 for Bitcoin before the end of October. We might see a $6,000 Ethereum, and I am pretty sure we will see a 40-cent Dogecoin, and then ideally, maybe Shiba Inu coins will start to rise to all-time highs as well. And this is it for today's video. Thanks for watching till the end. If you enjoyed it, please consider liking and sharing it with your friends. Also, please subscribe to the channel and turn on post notifications for daily videos on Dogecoin and cryptocurrency. If you have any questions or suggestions, please leave them in the comment section below. Goodbye. Take care.